Finding the right kitchen tools can transform your cooking experience, whether you're brewing the perfect cup of coffee, crafting homemade pasta, or blending up a healthy smoothie. In this guide, we explore 5 standout products that will elevate your kitchen game, each designed to make life easier and more enjoyable. Number 1. OXO Brew Conical Burr Coffee Grinder. The OXO Brew Conical Burr Coffee Grinder is a great choice for coffee lovers looking to elevate their brew. With 15 grind size settings and additional micro settings, it offers precision whether you're making espresso, French press, or cold brew. The stainless steel burrs create uniform grounds, while the large 12 ounces hopper with UV protection keeps your beans fresh. Its one-touch start feature remembers your last setting, making it easy to use. Pros: consistent grind quality, versatile settings for multiple brewing methods, quiet, efficient performance, large hopper with UV blocking tint, static reducing container minimizes mess. Cons: catch cup doesn't snap in easily, timer-based control instead of an on/off switch. Overall, the OXO grinder is a solid upgrade for anyone looking for a reliable, easy-to-use coffee grinder. Number 2, Marato Atlas 150 Classic Manual Pasta Maker. The Marato Atlas 150 is a beautifully crafted manual pasta maker, made in Italy from chrome-plated steel. This versatile machine allows you to easily create homemade lasagna, fettuccine, and tagliolini with 15 adjustable thickness settings. The smooth hand crank operation makes rolling and cutting dough a breeze, and its sturdy build ensures durability. It's perfect for pasta enthusiasts who enjoy a hands-on approach to cooking. While it's not dishwasher safe and additional pasta cutting accessories are sold separately, the Atlas 150 is a fun and reliable kitchen tool. Pros: high-quality chrome-plated steel construction, 15 thickness settings for versatile pasta making, made in Italy for authentic craftsmanship, compatible with additional accessories. Cons: on the pricier side, not dishwasher safe, accessories sold separately. This pasta maker is a great investment for anyone passionate about homemade pasta. Number 3, Breville BJE200XL Juicer. The Breville BJE200XL Juicer is a compact, high-performing juicer perfect for small kitchens. With a 700-watt motor, it easily handles fruits and vegetables like kale, beets, and carrots. The 3-inch wide chute cuts down on prep time, allowing you to juice whole produce without pre-cutting. The stainless steel design, froth separator, and easy-to-clean parts make it convenient for daily use. Although it's not a commercial or macerating juicer, it's a fantastic choice for those on a budget who want efficient, everyday juicing. Pros: compact design, easy to store, powerful 700-watt motor, quick and easy to clean, affordable for its quality. Cons: not suitable for commercial juicing. Mixed reviews on handling leafy greens. If you're looking for an affordable, space-saving juicer, the Breville BJE200XL is a great option. Number 4, Vitamix 5200 Blender. The Vitamix 5200 blender is a powerhouse appliance, perfect for home cooks seeking professional-grade performance. With variable speed control, you can achieve any texture, from smooth smoothies to chunky sauces. The large 64-ounce container is ideal for families or batch cooking, and the self-cleaning feature saves time in the kitchen. It even heats ingredients, allowing you to make hot soup in 6 minutes. Built with aircraft-grade stainless steel blades, this blender tackles the toughest ingredients with ease. Pros: powerful motor for smooth blending, hot soup feature via friction heat, large capacity for family meals, easy self-cleaning function, durable with a 7-year warranty. Cons: high price compared to basic blenders, tall design may not fit under all cabinets. Overall, the Vitamix 5200 is a smart investment for culinary enthusiasts. Number 5, Dream Farm Garject 2-in-1 Garlic Press. The Dream Farm Garject is a game changer in the kitchen, making garlic prep fast and mess-free. Its large hopper fits multiple cloves, and you don't even need to peel them. Just press, and the Garject does the rest, ejecting the peels with a button and cleaning itself in the process. This garlic press also ensures you won't get garlic odor on your hands, making cooking hassle-free. Built from sturdy zinc, the Garject is durable, though some customers note concerns about its plastic parts. However, Dream Farm's 3-year warranty and responsive customer service make it a reliable choice. Pros: works with unpeeled garlic. Self-cleaning and peel ejection. Dishwasher safe. Excellent customer service. Cons: plastic components may break over time. For garlic lovers, this tool is a must-have for your kitchen. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.